Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to move Safari address bar to the top of screen. Why would you want to know how to move Safari address bar to the top of screen? Well, maybe it is your first time using an iPhone and not sure how to move Safari address bar to the top of screen. So today I am going to show you how to move Safari address bar to the top of screen. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Moving the Safari address bar to the top of screen is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all iOS devices. Let me show how you will move the Safari address bar to the top of screen. First open Safari in your iPhone and open any site. Now my address bar at the bottom. Now open settings in your iPhone and first scroll down this page until we found Safari and then tap on it. Now scroll down this screen and in tab section click on single bar and now your address bar at the top of the page. So there you go. If you were wondering how to move Safari address bar to the top of screen, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.